Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken tacos and a side of mango salsa. So let's begin. I'm taking a hot skillet, cooking some skinless, boneless chicken thigh, which I marinated. I will link a video down below how I marinate my chicken. I'm gonna cook 4 minutes each side on medium high. I'm gonna take them out, they're fully cooked. And I'm gonna put the second batch. And then in the meantime, let me show you how I make my mango salsa. So I took a large mango, half a cup red peppers, half a cup jalapeno peppers. I de-seed them, handful of scallions, some cilantro, 1 whole lemon juice, salt as per your taste, half teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder. Give it a really good mix. You can even add raw onions if you like. So let's assemble our tacos. I took white tortillas, which I seared in the same pan. I chopped my chicken in thin strips. I'm gonna add romaine and iceberg lettuce. Some chicken. Some onions. Jalapeno peppers. Mild salsa. Sour cream. Some cilantro for garnish. Some scallions. You can even add your mango salsa on it. Some lime juice. And here we go, guys. Our chicken tacos are ready. I'm serving them with some fries and nacho chips. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please be sure to subscribe, like for more future videos. Have a nice day, guys.